Hey guys, I'm just taking in the sound of this early August summer evening. It's about 8 o'clock. There are locusts, active locusts doing the chorus. And the sky is atmospheric. Is that my new word? It's been that way for the latter half of this week. The tropical weather pattern, which is not so common up here in the mid-Atlantic region. So yeah, I came back from my walk and I thought I'd linger for a little while longer. I guess we can take a closer look. I think the locusts are high up in the tree. I don't see any of them. I just hear their song or their chorus. Sounds of a summer evening. I think I'm gonna take it back in. Earlier in the week, or was it last week, I saw something, it reminded me of a lion or some wild animal. I think it was a coyote. It could have been a fox, but it sure was not a red, fluffy, pretty fox if it was. It really looked like a coyote. Bye guys.